Starting a tech business from your desk used to require significant capital and software engineering. Today, these are no longer the primary barriers to entry. We will follow a specific roadmap, selecting a niche, setting up tools, building a portfolio, and drafting a pitch. This process relies on free applications, so you won't spend money. You won't write code either. You will just solve problems for others. Since tools are accessible to everyone for free, the real bottleneck is no longer capital. It is the willingness to follow through on the execution. The first mistake most beginners make is trying to offer every possible AI service at once. This leads to a lack of focus and makes it difficult to explain what you actually do. To gain traction, choose one of these 6 skills businesses need: writing, video editing, thumbnails, presentations, research, or social media. Pause this video, eliminate 5 options, and commit to mastering just one for your first project. Clients don't hire people for their general knowledge of AI. They hire someone to fix a specific bottleneck in their workflow. Once you've chosen your niche, set up a free account on the AI platform that specifically handles that type of work. Run a test prompt to generate a piece of content. This is your raw material. A common operational failure is sending these raw, unedited outputs directly to a client. This makes the work look robotic and lowers its value. Your value comes from human curation. The left shows the raw AI output. The right shows the polished version. You must verify facts, adjust tone, and ensure it fits the client's specific industry. Think of the AI as the engine, but you are the steering wheel. The engine provides the speed, but you provide the direction. To get your first client, you need to show them what you can do. This requires building a portfolio, even if you haven't had a paying customer yet. Use your tool to create 3 specific assets: a sample project, a case study, and a functional demo. Organize these 3 files into a free cloud workspace that generates a single shareable link. You want one URL to send anyone at any time, making it frictionless for the client to open. Keeping the portfolio small prevents the client from feeling overwhelmed. It forces them to look at your 3 best examples of work. Professionalism comes from how you present your work, not from how much you spent on a website. With your portfolio ready, you can start reaching out to local businesses, your personal network, or users on freelance sites. Most people fail here because they send generic spam that makes big promises they haven't proven they can keep. Instead of just asking for work, provide a small custom sample for free. The message should be simple. Here is a free sample, here is a link to my other work, and a question asking to see more. Leading with a sample provides the client with a finished result to evaluate, which addresses their skepticism by proving you can deliver value before any money changes hands. You now have the 4 components of a functional service business: a niche, a tool, a live portfolio, and a pitch. Getting the first yes is often the hardest part. You have to push past the initial friction of sending those first several pitches. Success in this model comes from improving your communication with clients every week, rather than waiting for the perfect software to be invented. Send your first pitch today. If you want more technical guides like this one, subscribe for our weekly updates.